Aggressive. Stay away from that guy. He is really aggressive. Aloof. The new employee is fairly aloof. No one has got to know him yet. Arrogant. Ted is a very good tennis player, but he's very arrogant about the fact. Bad-tempered. Mark is very bad-tempered this morning. I think he must have slept badly. Belligerent. The new manager is rather belligerent. I think I'll need to look for a new job. Boastful. She is rather boastful about what she has achieved, her new car and perfect family. Callous. He can be quite callous. The cleaner didn't deserve to be shouted at. Cunning. That was a cunning plan. We wouldn't have got the deal without it. Cynical. He is cynical about life. He should have a better outlook. Dishonest. I wouldn't trust him with money. I think he's dishonest and a cheat. Dogmatic. His dogmatic approach puts a lot of people off. He could be more flexible. Impolite. Rachel was very impolite to Marty. Her manners are questionable. Moody. Richard is very moody. That's why he has his own office. Obstinate. We are used to his obstinate behaviour. It is his way or no way. Parsimonious. Our company is so parsimonious that we have to buy our own coffee. Quarrelsome. Brian is quarrelsome and starts arguments about the smallest things. Quick-tempered. She is rather quick-tempered and starts shouting when she's under pressure. Selfish. I can't believe how selfish he was. He didn't share his birthday cake with anyone. Superficial. Terry is so superficial. He only talks about the material things he has. Vain. Mary spends half the evening looking in the mirror. She is so vain.